Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you have seen me, my name is Heather Engelsman, and I own my own business. I am a Color Street rep, which means I sell nail strips. They are super fun, super easy to use, and something that comes along with owning your own business and selling something, and literally, like, it is what I do, is a little bit of stress at times, So overall, this has been the most amazing journey, and I am still on this journey to kind of bringing Zen into my life. And one of the things that I really have been wanting to try is a really good quality CBD oil. And I didn't see a ton of reviews on YouTube, so I figured maybe I'll be the first person ever to review Upness on YouTube. So here I am. I just literally got my box. I've been in the community now for a couple days because I was just searching for reviews, and I'm hearing all good things. And so I wanted to do the unboxing with you. They put it in this really nice recyclable wrap, which is important. And my dog wants to come say hello. So the unboxing is important because you're going to get to see my first reaction to the smell and the taste, because I am going to take some of it. But let's just look at the box first. It's beautiful. And the broad spectrum CBD infused tincture for overall wellness. Because CBD is something that goes into your bloodstream. I'm not sure if it goes into your bloodstream, but CBD is something that goes into you, and it kind of fills in all the little gaps that you have. So the things that make you tired during the day, it'll fill in those things to make you wake. Or woke. And the things that make you awake during the night, it'll fill in those gaps and make you tired. So it's kind of a crazy thing that CBD oil does. So it's broad spectrum, which means it is an overall, it's everything that's good in the marijuana leaf or plant, and none of the THC. So multi-purpose CBD hemp oil, great for jump-starting your daily routine. Each drop is bursting with berry flavor to help put a tangy charge into whatever the day brings you. So the directions are using the pipette. I'll show you what that is in a minute. Place 1 drop of the tincture under your tongue, swish around your mouth, and swallow. So the suggested serving size is 1 dropper. So I think they're kind of just giving you, you can use as little as 1 drop, but you're probably not going to get results that way. You're going to want to use 1 dropper, but I opted for the 1,000 milligram CBD. So this is the strongest one that they make. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a half a dropper. And it right now is 2:23 in the afternoon. So I'm going to use a half a dropper now and a half a dropper at night. Probably around 11, just to see if it helps me kind of get into that like state of, oh, it's time to go to sleep, because I am a 2 to 3 in the morning sleep person right now. I don't go to sleep until 2 or 3 in the morning. So I really just wanted to give you this real, like, this is really me. I'm not made, I mean, I have makeup on, but my hair is a disaster. I just wanted you to know that I'm real life. And it actually has, and this is something that I thought was so neat, a QR code on the bottom. Sorry, it's so bright. A QR code on the bottom that takes you to the actual, and I don't have my phone on me. When you do the QR code, it shows you what is actually in your batch. So the batch that they made for this bottle, the QR code is going to link me to that. So it'll tell me exactly how much THC is in it, which is usually 0.001, which is not, like, this is not going to get you high. So let's open it up. First time opening. Oh, it's a fancy inside. It's cute. There they are. Brandy new. I'm excited to try this. Upness. They're made in California, looks like. 30 servings in this bottle. If I do it half, 30 servings as in like 30 full droppers. So if I do half and half, it'll last me 30 days. And 33.33 milligram per serving. So if I do half, then it'll be half that. The only ingredients in this are MCT oil, berry flavoring, hemp-derived broad-spectrum CBD oil. So that is literally it. There is no detectable THC. It's 0.3% or less. That is just their generalized, it's 0.3 or less, but it's going to be way less than that. And it expires 08/21. So in 1 year, this will expire. Okay. Doesn't say to shake it or anything. Let me just make sure. Yep. Does not say to shake it, so I'm not going to shake it. I'm just going to go right ahead and try it out. So there's a half a dropper. And I'm going to put it under my tongue, and my dogs might bark. My dogs are going to say hello real quick. But I don't really know why. Okay. So, ooh, it smells really good. This is the berry. That might be a full. Alright, I'm going to go with that. It looks like a half a drop. I mean, it looks like a little more than a half, but I don't think it is because you can see up there is the rest of the dropper. So here we go. Okay. It's a very light flavor. I have had CBD oil before, which is why I was okay with doing a half a dropper of 1,000 milligrams. So that's 500 milligrams going into my system right now. I have had CBD oil before that was way more intense than the flavor of this. So excellent. I would recommend having water available so you can swish it down, but not because it's gross, just because it kind of makes me want to cough a little bit. It is oil. So this is just a personal recommendation. If you think that oil, and for me, oil does nothing to my system anymore because I've eaten coconut and oil, drank coconut oil, done the swishing in the mouth with coconut oil. Like, I am oily. And I use it with my eggs, all kinds of things. So I am an oily person. Not really, I'm not oily, but you know what I mean. I don't think it's going to affect my system, but if you're not used to ingesting oil alone, then my suggestion, and I don't know that Upness would agree with this or disagree, but my suggestion would be to get the higher dosage so that you can ingest the same amount of milligrams with less oil. Does that make sense? Okay, so that's just something personally for me. This video is not sponsored by Upness at all. I literally just love doing videos, and I decided, you know what, I'll be the first one on YouTube to do a Upness video, because I have not seen any other than Rhea Hope, which I love that name. I keep thinking about it. I'm like, she's the reason that I ordered this. So if you're watching me, hi, Rhea Hope. I just love your name, and I was watching you Sunday, and I was just, wow, this is great. So maybe this will help me. So just to give you an idea, I have anxiety. And I hate that I claim it. That is not something that I want to do, but I'm definitely an anxious person, and I've been working from home since March, and I literally, I was doing great. Like August last year, I started having those anxious feelings again, you know. I started like, and I was doing great for probably like 2 years. I had no anxiety. Like I was, you know, free, you know, oh, this is so great. I don't have to think about it anymore. And then all of a sudden, bam, I went on vacation and all those feelings came back. I don't know if it was just that I was feeling so home and grounded before, and now I just feel like I'm like off the rails because I went on vacation. I don't know. Anyway, so I have been struggling for a year now. This was last August, a year with anxiety feelings. Man, this year went by so fast because we had all these crazy COVID things happening. But I'm done with this feeling. Like when I go somewhere, I want to be excited to go to that place. I want to be, I have this anticipation anxiety that really gets at me. And on the 19th of this month, which is September, I'm going somewhere. I have 9 days for this stuff to work. No. I'm going somewhere. And I want to feel confident that when I go, I'm going to enjoy myself and I'm not going to be so nervous. And I think once I get there, it's always fine. And I always have a great time and I don't have any issues. It's just the anticipation that ruins like the rest of my life. So like when I'm planning things, I'm like, oh, we're planning a week and a half ahead. So I have to think a week and a half ahead about this thing. So why does it have to be like over my head? Why can't I just enjoy a week and a half and then think about it when we're about to go? So my anxiety is more about anticipation than it is the actual act of doing what I'm about to do. So hoping that this will calm my thoughts and relax my brain, and in turn I am hoping that this little bottle will change my life. So this came a day early, so I'm praying that I went ahead and did the 10% offer that was offered to me the next day to get the salve. It's called Savvy, and I'm really excited for that as well. That is a eucalyptus and lavender scent, and I'm probably going to be putting it on my chest a lot so that the essential oils are going into my nose. I'm really excited to try that because I have some shoulder and neck pain that I would love to try it on every morning when I wake up. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'm excited to bring you video number 2, which is going to be when I open the salve and give it a little rub on there and see, or, you know, just the smell of it. I'm so excited to try that stuff. So Thanks for watching, and I will keep you updated on my results. So today is September 10th at 2:30, and I just took a half a dropper of Upness drops, CBD oil.